Long ago, 20-000-30,000 years in the past, Earth was home to a global civilization whose development took a path different from our mechanical technology. They pursued a deep understanding of natural energies and planetary resonances. They didn't build spaceships from metal, but they knew how to listen and communicate with the planet itself. Foreseeing a global cataclysm, a pole shift, an asteroid impact, a solar superstorm, they faced a problem: how to preserve their knowledge for tens of thousands of years. Paper decays, stone erodes, digital media, even if they had it, would lose power. They needed an indestructible, self-sustaining, and globally accessible storage medium. Their genius solution was Earth's magnetic field, a giant, constantly moving shield powered by the planet's core. Its energy is virtually eternal. They didn't record data in the way we understand. Instead, using a global network of powerful generators, possibly based on crystalline technology and geomagnetic energy, they created a series of stable information patterns within the magnetosphere. It's not ones and zeros. These are complex, multi-dimensional harmonic patterns, like permanent magnetic melodies superimposed on the field's main noise. Self-sustaining, because the field is dynamic, these patterns are not static. They behave like standing waves in a river. Their form is constantly maintained by the energy of Earth's core. The contents: these patterns encode not texts, but pure information, the principles of harmonious architecture, quantum physics, medicine based on body energetics, and, most importantly, a warning about the very catastrophe that destroyed them. The information in the magnetic field is, by itself, just noise. To read it, a decoder is needed. This was a global network of megalithic structures that we today consider to be religious or astronomical. How it worked: receivers, not temples, Stonehenge, Göbekli Tepe, the pyramids of Giza, stone labyrinths, and menhirs, all are located at points with specific geomagnetic anomalies. Their construction is not random. The size, shape, and orientation of the stones were calculated to resonate with specific frequencies of the magnetic field. The antenna principle: giant stone vibrators, like an antenna, picked up electromagnetic fluctuations. As these fluctuations passed through the structure's design, e.g., through Stonehenge trilithons or the inner chambers of a pyramid, the noise was filtered out, leaving a pure signal, the very informational pattern. The need for synchronization: full decryption required the activation of several key points simultaneously. This ensured the knowledge would not fall into the hands of an underdeveloped, divided civilization. Only a globally united humanity could access the archive. Over time, the true purpose of the structures was lost, but echo memories remained in the form of rituals. Walking labyrinths wasn't just symbolism. It was the physical act of tracing a decoding algorithm, tuning the human bioenergetic field to receive information. Performing rites at specific times of the day or year, solstices at Stonehenge, wasn't just astronomy. These are moments when Earth's magnetic field is in a special state due to solar activity, making the signal stronger. The very architecture, aligned with the stars, served as calibration, ensuring the antennas hadn't drifted over the millennia. Fact: scientists have long recorded mysterious low-frequency oscillations in Earth's magnetic field, the source of which is unclear, so-called magnetic pulsations. Fact: many megaliths are indeed located at points with anomalous magnetic properties. Ground-penetrating radar surveys reveal complex underground structures that could be part of the receiver circuit. Hypothesis: what if the world pulse or Schumann resonance is not just a natural phenomenon, but part of that very informational field? Electromagnetic smog: modern civilization has blinded itself. The global noise from power grids, radio stations, satellites, and the internet has created an impenetrable veil, drowning out the subtle magnetic melodies. Loss of synchronization: we try to study Stonehenge or the pyramids in isolation, not understanding they are parts of a single global system. Until all the key antennas are activated in the correct sequence and during moments of geomagnetic silence, the archive will remain silent. The final message: perhaps the ultimate knowledge they left behind is not an instruction manual for building a flying saucer, but a warning. The technology that allowed them to imprint data onto the magnetic field might have been the very force that disrupted the planetary balance and led to their doom. And they left us instructions on how not to repeat their mistake. But to hear it, we first need to fall silent.